The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles south of Forest City to 5 miles south of Spartanburg to 11 miles northwest of Lawrence, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Woodruff, Pacolet, Cowpens, Blacksburg, Mayo, Roebuck, and Chesney. Conditions are favorable for the development of brief, weak tornadoes. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, Spartanburg, and Union. The National Weather Service in